Hello, I'm Monica Samahan with United Data Technologies, and I'm here to go over your brand new pole vault system so that you can become more familiar of their function in your classroom. So first things first, obviously, is to press on. Notice that it's blinking right now. So this is basically telling you, hey, I'm warming up. Notice you have a volume button. This is really nice that you have one place to adjust the volume. Okay, so now I'm going to change the source from PC to document camera. As you can see on the image over there, it's upside down. So we're going to rotate the head around and then adjust here. And now you can see one of the things we talked about earlier that came with your document camera is an anti-glare sheet. Once you lay the sheet on top of your hotspot, the hotspot goes away. So let's go over the buttons of the unit. First things first, zoom. And I'm going to use something as simple as a $20 bill to zoom onto. This has a 16x zoom. And as you can see while I'm zooming the image, it is clear all the way through. It doesn't get pixelated, it doesn't get fuzzy, and it readjusts the image. And now I'm going to hit the minus button on your document camera to zoom out the image. And now let's go over the effect button. First one, as you see, is BW for black and white. Now it says negative. That's back to color. And now I'm going to show you how to use the reverse feature and the mirror feature, and then we'll go over the timer. I'm going to hit the reverse button, and the reverse image is now rotated 180 degrees. I hit the reverse button again, I go back to where it was. I'm going to hit the mirror button, and I got a complete mirrored image. The timer button is a pretty neat feature. I'm going to press menu, timer, and then you hit the right button and hold down your right button. Once you set your timer, hit menu, menu again, and you're out. To turn the timer on, you just hit timer on your remote and then the clock starts. Now make sure when you use your remote that you're pointing it to the IR receiver on your document camera. Your document camera will store up to 80 images internally in the system. Capture the image by pressing this button. You'll see it flash that it's capturing and then it's saving. Now I'm going to press the playback button so it will display all the images that were stored on my document camera. Now I'm going to hit camera button to go back to what's displaying underneath the camera. One more feature that's pretty neat to show is the freeze feature. So I hit the freeze button, and now you saw it flash in the corner, freeze on. I hit freeze again, and it says freeze off, and we're back to showing what's underneath the document camera. So I'm going to show you how to first transfer images, and then we're going to go into capturing video. So we're going to go to menu and go down to advanced, hit the right arrow, and you go down to USB select. I hit the right arrow again, it's been selected, and now I'm going to go to image download. Hit the right arrow again, and I'm set down on the bottom, said image download. So I'm going to connect the USB port to my laptop, and it should see this as a removable disk. Click on it, and then here are the images that I captured with my document camera. With your unit, you get a CD that is your application software. Okay, so now I'm going to press the video button, and it's going to pop up. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it AverMedia Videos. So I'm going to hit open. It's recording, and now I'm doing whatever underneath the document camera. It's a video, it's capturing it. And then I hit the video camera again, it says stop recording. I'm gonna hit OK. So now I have this in my folder. We're now going to go through the functions of the AverMedia software. The first button is the settings. Everything you could do with the actual unit itself and the remote, all that could be done from your computer. I could capture the image right now and send it to a printer. I have the ability to do so. The network settings and advanced settings. And then they have the ability to do freehand drawing. And that is your basic functionality of your document camera. Using the software, not using the software, the basic coverage of the unit. So it's the end of the class and everybody's ready to go home. What's the most important thing you need to do before you leave? Press the off button. Press the off button, everything turns off.